Let me play.
I beg,
Let me to play.
I beg you, I beg, friends, I beg.
Unless today one thing will happen. Is that you leave this earth or I will leave this earth? What's wrong with you?
I beg you, I beg.
Just wait now. Neighbor. Happy? In the name of Jesus, can you gently remove your hand from my shoulder? In the name of Jesus, remove your hand from my shoulder now.
I beg.
Are you joking with me?
Yeah.
Are you joking with me?
I beg. Happy, come beggar now. You all go no.
Me? Beggar? With God? Albino? With God? Under this hot sun? No. Man, they back, they beg am. May you dey front, they beg am. Man, no go collect bullet to load my own.
You can't wish. Come on, off my chest. No, like remove your hand from my chest, quick. No, this line where you drop now, what does it mean? No, I'm asking you now. Tell me now. This talk where you talk now, he consign where to they do. Hey! He's not asking me. This line where you just drop now inside this conversation, does it relate? He consign where to they.
He reached for you to tell me my predicament.
No. You have done your own. Nice one.
You are specially invited to be a part of Glory Reign 2024. I want to say to you, no matter where you are in any part of the world, there must be a shift. God will take you from where you are to where you ought to be. Starting on Monday 22nd to Friday 26th of January 2024. And God will change your story.